Hello everyone, good to see you all in this video, and this video is going to be the unboxing of Oppo F7 25 megapixel AI front camera having 6.23 full HD display, super full screen, and here it's sponsored for this video Cellphone Mobiles. Use the promo code of DEVANT808 for reduction in their prices, and it's located in Sultan Kulam. So this phone is similar to iPhone 10 and also inspired by iPhone 10. Here no box is unboxed and the device it's MKP version and the paperwork inside the box. Then a short case too. No, it's not short case, it's rubber soft case. Having some protection for the open. Well, let's check what else inside. Here's the power brick having 2 ampere output, so pretty much good for this phone. And USB charging too. Well, having headset, it's similar to AirPods. This phone is also likes iPhone, that's why they provide this one. And what is this? I'd probably PC type, and okay, no problem for this phone. Let's make first boot. It's having a happy feedback while in first boot. Let's take a look at the internals. Running on Snapdragon 625 processor, and 16 megapixel main camera, 25 megapixel front camera. Actually, zero bezel. It seems to be little bit at the top, but in the bottom has a small bezel. So left volume rocker, right power unlock, and SIM tray. Then in-screen buttons, there's no physical button. Well, initial setup is good. On the front you have 25 megapixel sensor at the top and the speakers, then the LED notification, and also this phone comes with facial unlock. So the camera also works for the facial one, and this ColorOS platform is good. We have fingerprint sensor. Then this phone having top set board similar to swiping from up to down, and camera plus this both the settings shows running on audio recent 8.1. Yeah, the Google Lens also supported, and the storage is about 64 GB. Around 64 we have left. So it's having smart assistants to iOS, or Teams is basically on the UI full and full. It will give you the experience of iOS, but there is no control center. Also Oppo F9 have this one, but that's no control center. By this point you will define it's an Android. So here's the storage information, and the UI looks good and smooth to use because of the app. The camera is of about, as I said, 19 and here's the selfie 25 megapixel. All UI is similar to iOS. The facial unlock is really good, and responsive too. Let's make some different angle. Wow, never do very nice face. Well, man. What about the fingerprint sensor? Let's try. Well, the one thing that I noticed in this phone is pretty much good and vivid colors, little bit saturation, while HDR, okay, I feel HDR is good where capturing the images, and these are the selfies that we took in this phone, having vivid option in their selfie camera, and here it's a normal one. So yeah, the camera is perfect for selfie, and And here's Redmi that I have. Comparing these two, wow, they have a 13 megapixel, also their shoots well, but this 16 one gives a perfect shot while you capture. So that's all about this video, guys. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to our account. It's me Devan signing off. Meet you all guys in my next video. Peace.